Welcome to London Kids Academy.
A is for asparagus, tall and green. B is for broccoli, like a mini tree scene. C is for carrot, orange and sweet. D is for daikon, a radish treat. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel with a licorice sound. G is for garlic, strong in smell. H is for horseradish, spicy as well. I is for iceberg, lettuce so crisp. J is for jicama with a juicy twist. K is for kale, leafy and bold. L is for leek, in soups it's gold. M is for mushroom, soft and white. N is for Napa cabbage, a stir-fry delight. O is for ochre, slimy but fun. P is for peas, in a pod they run. Q is for quinoa leaves, rare but true. R is for radish, red, white, or blue. S is for spinach, full of might. T is for tomato, red and bright. U is for Luca, from Andes it came. V is for vegetable, marrow squash by name. W is for watercress, peppery and green. X is for lac, dung, a Vietnamese cuisine. Y is for yam, sweet and grand. Z is for zucchini, best in your hand.